If you're thinking about starting YouTube in 2026, stop scrolling right now. This niche can literally turn you into a YouTuber. Yeah, you heard that right. Because a few days ago, one of my subscribers showed me a YouTube channel. At first, I was like, okay, this looks pretty normal. But then I went a little deeper, and bro, I'm not even kidding, my brain exploded like I was in Stranger Things and just discovered some secret exotic government stuff. Every single video on this channel is 100% AI generated. No camera, no garage, no real car, and yet the channel is already monetized. It's growing insanely fast, and it has very few videos. That's when it clicked. This niche is criminally underrated. Before I explain why this niche is so underrated, there's something you need to fix first. Because if these settings are wrong, none of this will work. Click the I button to watch this video now. Most people still believe AI videos don't work. YouTube is too competitive. Car content is already saturated. But here's the truth. AI has advanced so much that even real videos now look AI generated, and almost nobody is using AI correctly in this niche. Without realizing it, this channel is using a proven growth strategy called trend jacking. Here's how it works. They only focus on famous cars. Toyota Supra, Ferrari, classic muscle cars. These cars are heavily searched in tier 1 countries like the US. That means higher ad value and higher RPM. Instead of guessing, they're creating content around what's already winning. If this is making sense so far, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because what I'm about to show next can completely change how you see YouTube. Here's the exact system they're using. Use ChatGPT to generate viral car video ideas. Break each idea into short scenes. Convert scenes into AI video prompts. Enhance prompts into high-detail JSON. Generate clips using tools like Veo3 or Grok. This is exactly where most people get stuck. If you want to avoid that and move faster, you need to learn how to use Grok AI like a pro. Click the I button to watch this video now. At last, stitch everything together in CapCut. Upload, repeat, scale. No filming, no voice recording, no expensive equipment, no face on camera, yet high watch time. Tier 1 traffic, monetization friendly, low competition. Some of these channels are going viral with their very first video. While researching this, another idea hit me. You've seen those ASMR carpet cleaning videos go viral, right? Now imagine this, AI car washing videos, AI deep clean restorations, ultra satisfying visuals. Almost nobody is doing this yet. That's not crowded, that's opportunity. If you're thinking, this looks hard, good. That's exactly why most people won't do it and why the niche stays open. If you want, the PDF with all prompts, the exact tools, more breakdowns like this. Like the video, subscribe, and comment Ferrari if you have watched this far. And I'll see you in the next one.